How many books do you have? How many books do you have? She has 2 daughters. She has 2 daughters. I helped her wash dishes. I helped her wash dishes. Name and address, please. Name and address, please. He is a good student. He is a good student.
I had the first mark in my class. I had the first mark in my class. He plays golf on weekend. He plays golf on weekend. I want to be successful in my life. I want to be successful in my life. I'm planning to travel this summer. I'm planning to travel this summer. What do you hide? What do you hide?
Why do you do that to me? Why do you do that to me? I want the divorce. I want the divorce. I can't support him anymore. I can't support him anymore. I was always here for you. I was always here for you.
The brakes didn't work. The brakes didn't work. The telephone rang several times. The telephone rang several times. I am beginning to remember it. I am beginning to remember it. I felt very happy. I felt very happy. I raised my hand to ask a question. I raised my hand to ask a question. I neither smoke nor drink. I neither smoke nor drink. My house is big. My house is big. I have a beautiful house. I have a beautiful house.
Don't give up. Don't give up. I belong to the football team. I belong to the football team. I am the captain of the team. I am the captain of the team. I am the best in the team. I am the best in the team. I want to marry you. I want to marry you.
Will you marry me? Will you marry me? I want you to be my wife. I want you to be my wife. I love you so much. I love you so much. You must make your bed. You must make your bed.
What this mess? What this mess? You deserve this punishment. You deserve this punishment. I have a headache. I have a headache.
I didn't go to the office today. I didn't go to the office today. I had a promotion this year. I had a promotion this year. I'm not happy about this. I'm not happy about this. My money was stolen. My money was stolen. He seems honest. He seems honest.
How did you know each other? How did you know each other?
Where did you met each other? Where did you met each other?
Do you love him? Do you love him? Did he talk about me? Did he talk about me? Her books sell pretty well. Her books sell pretty well. His English accent is bad. His English accent is bad. Can you teach me English? Can you teach me English? We live in the same city. We live in the same city.
I will always remember you. I will always remember you.
He lives downstairs. He lives downstairs.
I want to marry your sister. I want to marry your sister.
How much is this shirt? How much is this shirt? Keep your room clean. Keep your room clean.
It seems to me that he is honest. It seems to me that he is honest. I awoke from a dream. I awoke from a dream. A mosquito just bit me. A mosquito just bit me.
He was elected president. He was elected president.
No bad news is good news. No bad news is good news. I have a good news for you. I have a good news for you. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Horse runs quickly. Horse runs quickly. I don't agree with this plan. I don't agree with this plan.
This soup is delicious. This soup is delicious. You can keep it until you leave. You can keep it until you leave. I can't stop laughing. I can't stop laughing.
I have a black dog and a white cat. I have a black dog and a white cat.
I mean no harm. I mean no harm. Can I change the channel? Can I change the channel? Your flight has been cancelled. Your flight has been cancelled. He is a kind man. He is a kind man. I will be absent tomorrow. I will be absent tomorrow. It's none of your business. It's none of your business.
What are you interested in? What are you interested in?
Why are you interested? Why are you interested? I wish you a good vacation. I wish you a good vacation. Can you translate this for me? Can you translate this for me? Don't worry. Don't worry. Everyone knows about it. Everyone knows about it. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. From time to time. From time to time. He is very famous. He is very famous.
He is very annoying. He is very annoying. He is coming soon. He is coming soon. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't see you. I can't see you. It's a good idea. It's a good idea.
Excellent. Excellent. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. Can you repeat, please? Can you repeat, please? I don't want it. I don't want it. I feel good. I feel good. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. I'm cold. I'm cold. I'm cleaning my room. I'm cleaning my room. I have been here for 2 days. I have been here for 2 days.
Come on in. Come on in.
It's important for me. It's important for me. I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to use it. Call me if you need my help. Call me if you need my help.
I will take it. I will take it.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.